Have you always wanted to try using Chebe powder in your hair, but you just can't deal with the whole residue thing, the whole masking, the whole having sand and residues on your hair? Try out this procedure that I'm about to show you, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Welcome back, guys. So for this I have Chebe powder and papaya extract. Now Chebe powder is commonly used by African women in their hair care ritual, but it originated from Chad in Central Africa, and it is a mixed blend of different ingredients, but most importantly there is Chebe plant inside of it. It's manufactured by many brands, so the one you might see in the market might not be this particular one that I have here, which is from Frankie Swiss. There are some brands that are making Chebe powder. So for the Chebe powder, I go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of Chebe powder in my jar, in my empty jar. Please make sure you are using a sterilized jar for this, because you wouldn't want any bacteria in. Let it be that it's whatever you're getting from this is just what you have in your mixture, from your powder, the powder you're using. And then going ahead with the second ingredient, I have my papaya extract. My papaya extract contains seeds, pawpaw seeds, and then pawpaw peel. So those two are what I blended to get this papaya extract. So you can actually make this on your own. This one is homemade. I didn't get it from any store. I made it in my very own kitchen. All I did is to dry the pawpaw seed and pawpaw peel, and then I blended it and I made it this. So going ahead, I added 250 ml of hot water into the mixture. Go ahead and add 250 ml of water. The reason I'm using 250 ml, because the measurement that I'm using is just 1 tablespoon of each, and that is because it is something that I'm going to use for like 3 times in a week. I'm not doing it to overstay more than a week. So I made the ones that I'm going to use weekly. Now this is what it looks like. I'm just going to let it sit for 3 hours. I left it for 3 hours because I had other things to do, but you can leave it at least 1 hour. It shouldn't be less than 1 hour, so that you be sure that everything has actually emerged and it has really soaked well enough. Go ahead and use my cheesecloth. To extract the residue, the water from the residue, because the water is what we're going to be using. Now this is one of the ways you can use Chebe powder if you are scared of having Chebe residue in your hair, which is very, very difficult to wash off. So I suggest you try and use Chebe as a moisturizer. That's what I call this. So this is it, guys, and I'm gonna go ahead to spray the mixture on my hair. This is what my hair looks like right now. It's really not moisturized like it used to be. It's a bit dried up. I'm having twist on. So you can do this even if you are having braids. You can even do this even if you're having cornrows, because it's still your natural hair, so it can still absorb whatever nutrients that this combination is going to give you. And when you're spraying this on your hair, make sure you get it on your on every part of your hair strand. Make sure you get it in every part of your hair strand. You can see the way I'm actually using my hands to squeeze my hair so that I'll get it inside all my hair strands. Like all my hair shafts needs this. So as I'm doing this, I'm going to go ahead and explain some of the benefits of this Chebe powder and then pawpaw extract for the hair. For Chebe powder increases length retention by reducing split ends and hair breakage. That when your hair is truly healthy and strong, the end of your hair will not break off as frequently as the hair grows, and you'll be able to retain more of your length. Now, using Chebe powder to moisturize your hair is going to help you to retain hair length as it is very good in moisturizing. It also helps to retain moisture, also softens the hair shaft while retaining your hair length. Now, Chebe powder is mainly made for people that have type 3 hair and type 4 hair. Now, if you don't have curls in your hair, of course you can still use it, but it's mainly for people that has curls, like coarse and curly hair, just like mine. Mine is combination of two hair type. I have type 4, 4B and 4C in my head. So my hair is kind of combined. Going ahead, I'm going to explain some of the benefits of course, I've already said something about purple extract in my channel if you're following, but if you are still here to subscribe, please do well to subscribe, because then whenever I post new video, you get notifications on my video, and trust me, it's going to be something that is going to help you. Now, purple extract is very good for the hair because it has anti-inflammatory properties, and with that anti-inflammatory properties, it's going to keep your scalp at bay. Like, you won't be having itchy scalp, you won't be having dandruff, you won't be having any type of scalp infestations. Man, look at that hair now. My hair is fully moisturized as it is now, and you can't compare the look it has now to what it had before. So go ahead to use the moisturizer on all of my hair. After using the whole of moisturizer on my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and you can use butter, you can use hair butter, or you can use hair oil to seal in the moisture. That is the next step for moisturizing. So I'm using Daphne hair care oil, which is what I made, and you can purchase it from me, okay, because I'm the one that produced them. So guys, that is pretty much it for this video, guys. I will see you in my next video. Please endeavor to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to share this to anybody that might need it. Trust me, Chebe powder works. Chebe powder really works, because if it doesn't work, the testimonies that I do get from them wouldn't be there. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.